One of the things that I worry about when I go away from home for a night or more is my plants. This DIY self-watering planters that make container gardening easy help me so much. Before we begin, please check the description area first. There are listed links to original project and tutorial that exist in this video. Here, DIY self-watering planters that make container gardening easy. 1. Easy $7 self-watering bucket planter. This self-watering bucket planter can be made for less than $10. It may actually not cost you anything if you have the needed supplies on hand. 2. Easy 5-minute self-watering container garden. This easy-to-make self-watering container will take you about 5 minutes to put together, and it's large enough for several plants. 3. DIY recycled air conditioner self-watering planter. I love when you can recycle something that is otherwise useless and make it very useful again. 4. Upcycled empty glass bottle garden. Those old glass bottles that you normally throw in the trash can be recycled into an amazing self-watering garden system. 5. DIY self-watering standard planter conversion. You don't have to have a special container for your self-watering planters. You can convert an ordinary planter into one that feeds your plants water as they need it. 6. Easy large self-watering containers. Easy large self-watering containers with a few food-grade 5-gallon buckets or larger ones if you can find them. You can make self-watering containers that will hold all of your seedlings for your garden, or you could just grow the garden right out of the containers. 7. DIY recycled bottle watering globes. Watering globes are great for keeping moisture to your plants, but they are also sort of expensive. 8. Mini self-watering wicking bed. If you really want to grow a garden and you don't want to worry about watering those plants, this self-watering wicking bed is perfect for you. 9. DIY self-watering cage planter. Tomatoes, beans, and other similar plants need something to help them to stay upright while they grow. 10. DIY self-watering inverted planters. Those strawberry and tomato planters that hang upside down on the deck are so fascinating. 11. Cheap and easy self-watering foam box. If you want to plant quite a few plants and you want them to be perfectly watered, this self-watering foam box is what you need. 12. Repurposed water cooler bottle self-watering planter. Walmart has these great water cooler bottles for just a few dollars each. You can use those bottles to make a self-watering planter that won't need any attention for about a week or longer. 13. Repurposed storage box self-watering planter. Grab a few cheap plastic storage boxes from the dollar store and turn them into self-watering planters. 14. Repurposed tote self-watering tomato planters. A few plastic totes are all you need to create your own self-watering tomato garden. Tomatoes are so tricky because you just never know how much water to give them, or at least I don't. 15. DIY wooden box self-watering planters. You can also build your very own self-watering planter from scraps of wood that you may have left over from other projects.